Hello everyone! Welcome back to our poultry farm. Today is a very important day for us because our breeder chickens are being sold. These birds have completed their full production cycle successfully. These were breeder hens, and they have worked with us for almost 75 weeks. During this period, they produced a large number of eggs and played a key role in our farm's production. We took great care of them, from proper feeding to vaccination and health management. Every stage was carefully handled to maintain their performance and health. Now, after completing around 75 weeks, their production capacity has naturally decreased. This is normal in breeder chickens, as their egg-laying ability reduces with time. That is why today we are selling them. This process is a regular part of poultry farming, where old flocks are replaced with new, young birds to maintain high production and efficiency, even though they are being sold. These chickens have given us excellent results throughout their cycle. We are satisfied with their performance and thankful for the production they provided. Now, we will prepare the farm for the next batch of young breeder chickens. With new birds, we will start a fresh cycle of production, aiming for even better results. Poultry farming is all about proper management, timing, and care. If you manage your flock well, you can achieve great success. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates about poultry farming.
कितनी सटी है पहले और कितनी सटी है पहले छोटी सारी और चार के